Hi, I'm Jeffrey, sparkling book water animals. I went to the ocean and what did I see? Porpoises and dolphins who play in the sea, a shark and a turtle, a stingray and more rode from me waves from the deepness to the shore. I went to the bay, and what did I see? Big fish and small fish who swam helpless, injuring a jellyfish with tails long and a silver seagull who sang me her song. I went to the pond, and what did I see? Tadpoles who grow into frogs just from me, ducks and their babies, and pelicans too, and swans and swans whose swing whose wings catch the sun as they flow. I went to the rock pool, and what did I see? Seahorses and crabs who were hiding from me, sea urchins and shellfish lying up in a row, and starfish of every color I know. I went to the polar lands, and what did I see? Seals and walruses who wave back to me, polar bears, penguins, and giant blue whales who swam deep below with a splash of their tails. The end.